Hi, today I'm going to be telling you guys about the extremely lucrative industry known as software as a service, or SaaS for short. SaaS is a way of delivering a service to a company via the internet. It can be applied to your business in a variety of different ways, making each SaaS company very unique to itself. Some characteristics of SaaS are that it uses a subscription model, meaning that your company will have access to that service for as long as you paid for it. It's also hosted on a cloud server, eliminating the need for customers to install software, manage servers, or update software, making it a lot easier on the user. Lastly, it's accessible on any type of smart device. That could be a laptop, a telephone, or a tablet. Many SaaS companies also provide their service in the form of an app that you can download on your phone, computer, or tablet and use that software there. As far as the market analysis of the SaaS industry goes, we are able to see that the industry has grown rapidly as more and more businesses continue to embrace technology and embrace these things such as software as a service. We're also able to see that it's a very competitive market with very large corporations as players as well as startup companies, which shows the industry is very healthy at all levels. To give a real-life example of SaaS's market growth over the years, SkyQuest Technology performed a forecast for the market value of SaaS from 2023 to 2030. In 2021, we were able to see that the market was valued at $215 billion, and by 2030, they forecast that the market will be valued at $1,298 billion. This shows that the industry is one that is growing and growing quite rapidly. Furthermore, discussing SaaS's growth within markets worldwide, Spendesk tells us that the US, UK, Canada, and Germany have the most SaaS companies in the world, respectively. This just goes to show us that important markets throughout the world, not just the US, are buying into SaaS and that it's going to continue to grow. Focusing on one company within the SaaS industry, I want to start talking about Shipcom Wireless to you guys. This is a company that focuses on helping companies solve their problems and improve their supply chain and asset management. They do this through the use of their IoT devices as well as their software that they've created that communicates with those IoT devices to provide companies with solutions to problems in very simple ways that help them save either company time or company money. An example of how Shipcom currently helps a company is the South Dakota Department of Health case study that they have available on their website. South Dakota Department of Health reached out to Shipcom and asked them for help with digitizing and automating their inventory management system. Shipcom came in and delivered a combination of IoT devices that included barcode labeling as well as handheld readers. Both of these IoT devices then helped communicate with the Shipcom software and allowed the SD Department of Health to then have a system that sends real-time alerts regarding product calibration status, inventory transfer requests, inventory tracking in general, and to cut down on waste of products, it'll notify them when materials will then soon expire. Another example of how Shipcom has helped the company today is in the Quest Diagnostics case study that's also available on their website. Quest Diagnostics was having a problem with some of their inventory expiring and going bad because it was in laboratories that would either get too hot or too cold when it came to temperature, or too high or too low when it came to humidity. Shipcom came in and delivered them temperature humidity monitoring devices, as well as IoT gateways that communicate with Shipcom software via cellular LTE connection to then send over real-time data regarding the temperature and humidity levels of each lab. The software was able to detect when a lab temperature or humidity became too low or too high, and then it would notify Quest before a product was lost. I hope you're able to see the benefits to investing in this up-and-coming industry before it takes off, and furthermore can see the benefits that Shipcom can provide to their customer through the use of their software as a service.